It's moving day. Time to get after it. Alright, we have our mighty Hyundai XL loaded up on our fantastic trailer. Heaps of room to get the spare tyre if we need to. But have a look how well this thing just looks. Sitting up there on the trailer. Proud as punch. You can see the tie down points. Not the usual tie downs, these are just the transport tie downs. And you've got the grip strap that goes over the top, but these things are not going anywhere. 2.5 tonne each strap. So 10 tonne of pressure will take to pull this car off this trailer. So it's a little bit filthy. I might have to give it a bit of a wash when we get down there. But looks absolutely mint. Look at that. Looking good on the back of the trailer on the back of the Navara. Perfect.
Nice.
Alright, we are on the road. It is just after midnight. Another midnight run again. As you can see, we've got the car all loaded up. Looking good. I've got an extra passenger this time. Hey, what are you doing over there? Come on, come here. You're gonna drive. Come on. Yeah, this is little Tay Tay. Right? She's got her own little setup down there. We're going to make the run down to Brisbane and make sure it's a fun time for us. So we'll get on the road and I'll probably catch up with you hopefully down in Mackay because it's going to be a long trip. Alright, we are about 5 hours of the trip on the other side of Mackay. Car's still all good. Got the dog down here, just taking for a bit of a walk, a bit of a stretch, sniffing around the bins. But it's going good so far. We're just taking our time and relaxing. So it's just after 6 AM and then we'll just continue on to Rocky and keep chugging along. Second stop, halfway between I think Rocky and Jin Jin. Just giving the pup a bit of a stretch of the legs, making sure she doesn't run off after any animals. Trailer's going good. Car's riding perfect. It's been a good trip so far. So we're just taking it easy, just one little town, one little stop at a time, and we'll eventually get down to Brisbane. So I'll continue on. Oh man, what a day. 1400 kilometers, almost 18 hours of driving. Finally we got it home. The lens is even starting to fog up on the camera because it's been sitting in the air conditioning, but that's alright. Time to get this thing unloaded, get some pizza, get some sleep. I'm absolutely knackered. Just the engine on the Navara just cooled down a bit. She's been a bit of a workhorse today. She's done fantastic. Nothing to sneeze at. Perfect tow vehicle. She did a fantastic job. So just letting her cool off. We'll unhook the XL and get it in the shed. Unhook the trailer. lock it up. We've got to get some food. Big day. And there it is. Got to give the shed a bit of a clean out, make it look pretty, but it's in there. We'll get all that sorted out. Need to give it a bit of a cleaning because it's absolutely filthy from the trip. But once we get the shed sorted out and all the stuff in there, this will be its new home. Perfect. Alright. Time to go get some pizza. Done. 2 pizzas in my guts. I am stuffed. I think now I will go and unpack the car and get some sleep because I am wrecked. Absolutely wrecked. 18 hours of driving, 1,400 kilometers, lots of roadworks. I had to deal with this little one here. Hey, Tay. But we're here. If you're going to be out at Queensland Raceway on Saturday, I will be there. I'm going to go check it out, see what it's all about, and get myself ready and organised for next season, next year, so I can get out there and start racing with everyone. So if I see you out there, come and say hey, and I'll have a chat. Alright guys, might see you Saturday. Bye.